Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to take a look at tonsil stones. While you look at some of Reddit's most popular tonsil stone removal clips, let me give you a definition of tonsil stones. Tonsil stones, or tonsilloliths, are calcified debris in the tonsil crypts. They're actually quite common, and they can be removed with a lighted medical pick or dental syringe. I'll put Amazon links to my favorites in the description below. If you enjoy videos like these, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. And don't forget to pick up a lighted medical pick from the Amazon link in the description. It's like a tonsil stone magnet, and it includes 3 interchangeable tips, an extra set of batteries, case, and it's hand inspected in the good old USA. Don't be fooled by cheap Chinese knockoffs. Order yours today.